Hey guys, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to buy Shrapnel SHRAP token on KuCoin. So let me show you here. So when you go to KuCoin and trade, you can actually see that SHRAP is listed here, right? So in this video I will show you how to buy it. Okay. So the first step is to sign up on KuCoin. KuCoin is, in my opinion, one of the top exchanges. I've been using it since 2018. So you can find, to sign up KuCoin, you can find the link in description of this video, and you will get mega bonuses when you sign up using that specific link. Okay, I'm one of the top affiliates for KuCoin, for example, in the last bull run of 2021, and you get mega bonuses when you sign up using first link in description, or you can find the link in description of this video. After you have signed up, and create your account, it takes like a couple of minutes. This is the first page that you will see. So the first thing that you want to do is go to assets and then funding. Okay, so you can see that when you sign up, your account doesn't have any funds, right? So the next step is to add some funds so you can buy Shrapnel token. Now the main thing here to understand first before you buy funds is that you have two wallets in your KuCoin. So basically you have funding wallet where you can fund the the trading, and then you have the trading wallet where you actually trade. So right now I have some USDT on my trading wallet, so I'm going to actually get it back to funding wallet so I can show you how to do this, how to get USDT to your trading wallet. Okay, so basically you come to this page, click after you have signed up, go to assets and funding, and then from here click, or you can just click buy crypto and fast trade, or use any of these methods to buy crypto. And you basically want to buy USDT. Okay, I always use just fast trade because you can just buy USDT with Visa, MasterCard, whatever card you have, you can buy it with, and it works like but it's same thing as like you would buy anything online. You just buy it and it just works. Okay, so when you have bought it, the USDT will instantly show up here in your wallet, and then you simply click transfer from trading. Basically you have the USDT in your funding account, so you want to get to your trading account, you click max here, and then you click confirm, and then the USD will show up in your trading account, right? And all there's left to do is go to trade, click the search and type in SHRAP, and then click here, and then you can trade the USDT into SHRAP tokens. So this is very easy to use. All you basically need to do is go to market and then select how much you want to buy. For example, 100% buys with all of your USD, and then click buy SHRAP. Okay, and then it will execute the trade, and then you will have the instantly tokens in your wallet here, in your trading wallet. Okay, and yeah, that's how you do it. And if you want to sell it anytime, you can sell it at the same page here. Okay, so that's how you buy Shrapnel SHRAP on KuCoin. So join KuCoin using the link in the description to get the bonuses, and follow this tutorial to buy Shrapnel SHRAP on KuCoin step by step. Anyway, not financial advice. Thank you so much. See you inside the next videos, and see you inside KuCoin, and peace out. Thank you. Remember to use the link in the description to get the bonuses.